Good morning, students. Today we will discuss important questions of miscellaneous exercise of chapter 8. Chapter 8 miscellaneous exercise. Chapter 8 miscellaneous exercise. And here we will discuss important questions of important questions of miscellaneous. Today first question we will discuss, that is question number 2. I will just give you hint. I will give you hints of the questions. Okay. Now question number, first we will discuss question number 2. Find the area between the curves y is equal to x and y is equal to x square. As you know, this is the equation of parabola and this is the equation of line. Equation of line and parabola are given to you. Now you have to find out the area between these two. That is, now we have to first plot graph. We are plotting graph of the given curve and line. Curve is, this is a parabola which is symmetrical about y-axis. It means parabola like this. This is a parabola, y is equal to x square. Now line, y is equal to x. Y is equal to x means when you put x is equal to 1, y is 1, x is 0, y is 0. It means a line which is passes the first and third quadrant. Line will be like this. Passes from the origin. This is a line. This is y is equal to x. Now, first of all, you must know what is this intersection point A and O. O is the origin. So intersection point 1, you know that is origin 0, 0. Second point of intersection you will get after solving the equation of parabola and equation of line. Point of intersection. You can get by solving y is equal to x and y is equal to x square. You can say this becomes x square is equal to x, or you can say x square minus x is equal to 0. X common, two values are here, 0 and 1. If x is 0, then y will be equal to 0. From here you can get. If x is equal to 1, then y will be equal to 1. So this point A will be equal to having coordinates 1, 1. Now what is the required area? Required area, I am just giving you hint for that. You have to solve your own. Do the integration, apply the limit. Now limit is from what? From 0 to 1 when you are using the strip, this one like this. You have to calculate this one. Area that can be calculated, area under the line. This is a line. Area under the line minus area under the parabola. This line. Area under the parabola. So what? Area under the line. Area under the line minus area under the parabola. Now what it becomes? Area under the line. Line means if you are using the limit from x-axis, it means that is y dx. Dx is there. This is a dx. If you take any strip from here, then it is a dx, and this will be y dx. For line it is x, and for the parabola it is x square. So the area, required area, will be equal to integration from 0 to 1. Area under the line means x minus area under the parabola, that is x square, with respect to dx. Now integrate it, you will get answer, that is x square upon 2 minus x cube upon 3, and limit from 0 to 1, apply upper minus lower limit, you are getting 1 upon 6. Simplify it your own. Square unit. This is the question number 2nd. Now come to the question number 3rd. Find the area of the region lying in the first quadrant and bounded by the curve, that is y is equal to 4x square, and next is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, and y is equal to 4. Now we have to plot the graph for these given line. Y is equal to 4x square. It means this is what? X square is equal to 1 upon 4 into y. This is the parabola which is symmetrical about y-axis. As you know, x square is equal to 4ay. 4a is equal to here, that is 1 by 4. So it's a parabola symmetrical about y-axis. I have to plot the graph. Curve is parabolic curve. This is a parabola. Y is equal to 4x square. I have told you this is x square is equal to 1 upon 4y. Now the lines, x is equal to 0 means y-axis, x is equal to 0 means y-axis, and y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1, suppose 1 is this one, then y is equal to 1 line will be this one. And y is equal to 4, suppose this is 4. This is 1, this is 4. This is a line which is y is equal to 4. And we have to calculate in first quadrant. It means this shaded portion we have to calculate. It means what? When I take strip like this is a strip, rectangular strip, this is dy, and this is x. So integration of, if you are taking limit from y-axis, then it means required area will be equal to integration from 1 to 4, and this will be x dy, because limit you are taking from y-axis, from y is equal to 1 to 4. So what is x? X means area under this curve. Curve is what? Parabolic curve. What is the value of x here? The value of x is root y, because y is equal to 4x square, and x square is equal to 1 upon 4y, and x is equal to 1 upon 4y under the root, or you can say root y upon 2. So this is root y, integration from 1 to 4, root y upon 2 dy. I think you can integrate it. After integration, integrate your own and apply the limit, and you will get the answer. And here what you do, proceed the question, or you can say proceed the solution. First you will do integration, integrate. Second, apply limit. So answer will be equal to, you can do it your own, 7 by 3. Some part you have to do your own. This is a practice part which you have to do. I have given you idea how to do the question. Now question number 4. In the question number 4, read the statement. Sketch the graph of y is equal to mod of x plus 3 and evaluate integration from minus 6 to 0 to the function mod x plus 3 dx. Now first of all, here the graph of x plus 3 from minus 6 to 0. You have to find out where the nature of the function changes in the graph. So first of all, you have to put x plus 3 equal to 0. You are getting x is equal to minus 3. What this shows? It means from minus 3, the nature of the graph change. This is the turning point of the graph. How to plot the graph now? Just plot the graph, because y is equal to x plus 3 means if you split this, y is equal to x plus 3, you will get two lines whose turning point is minus 3. As you know, y is equal to mod x, you have solved, you know about it. What this implies, y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x. Two types of nature will be there when x is greater than equal to 0, when x is less than 0. For y is equal to mod of x plus 3, this implies y will be equal to x plus 3. It will be positive when x is greater than equal to minus 3. Or it is negative when x is less than minus 3. From where you get the minus 3? I have told you x is equal to minus 3 after putting x plus 3 equal to 0. Now required graph will be, suppose this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3. Now minus 3 is the turning point and the y is equal to x plus 3. Y is equal to x plus 3 is what? Line. Linear equation is this one. It gives you a line like this. You can make the table by using y is equal to x plus 3. You will get a line like this at up to minus 3. This is a graph of y is equal to minus mod of x plus 3. And second line will be like this. This point will be 3. This line you will get like this. Okay. Now you have to take the limit from minus 4. This is minus 5. This is minus 6. Take this upward. This is a minus 6 to 0 up to this line. This is 0. Up to this line you have to calculate. I have just dark it from minus 6 to 0. It means this shaded portion you have to calculate. Now what is the required area now? It means integration minus 6 to 0 to mod of x plus 3 dx will be equal to, split it, minus 6 to first minus 3. This is the turning point, minus 3 up to this. The graph will be of what? Minus of x plus 3. As I told you, less than minus 3 means this one you have to take. Plus minus 3 to 0. And here the line will be, I have it right down here, y is equal to x plus 3. This is y is equal to minus x plus 3. Okay. Now this is x plus 3. Now differentiate it with, integrate it with respect to x and you will get the answer. After integration, you will get this x plus 3. You can write it like this, minus sign taking outside. And this is x plus 3 square upon 2. And limit is from minus 6 to minus 3 plus, I have to integrate this one also, x plus 3 square upon 2. And limit is from minus 3 to 0. Now you have to apply the limit. You are getting 9 by 2 from first, 9 by 2 from second. You are getting, that is 9 square unit. This will be the answer. Now first of all, you have separated the function, that is y is equal to x plus 3. Then plot the graph and integrate and apply the limit. This is a question number 4. Now come to the question number 5. Question number 5. Find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to sine x between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 pi. Now what is the graph of y is equal to sine x? Like this, you are getting the graph of sine x. This is suppose peak 1, this is minus 1, and this is x, and this is x dash. You have to write down all these things here on. And this is the graph. Up peak is 1, and up to downward it is up to minus 1, and you are going up to what? Just up to 2 pi. That is 2 pi. This is 0, and this is pi. Middle is pi by 2, and this is 3 pi by 2. Now here in this question, you have to calculate from 0 to 2 pi. You have to solve this whole shaded portion. For this, you can know about it. If you join this pi by 2, or you draw the perpendicular from here, and from 3 pi by 2, if you draw the perpendicular, you will get 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 equal parts. If I integrate the function from 0 to pi by 2 and multiply by 4, you will get what? Whole area from 0 to 2 pi. Required area, you can say required area from 0 to pi by 2, function sine x, area under the line. This one you have to calculate it, this one, and multiply it by 4. You will get an answer. It's an easy one. Sine x means integration from sine x, that is minus cos x, 0 to pi by 2. And if you apply 4 times of minus cos pi by 2, minus of minus cos 0. If you solve it, this becomes cos pi by 2 is 0. And cos 0 is 1. This is plus 1. It means answer is 4 square unit. You can do this question by taking 0 to pi by 2 and twice the integration. If you take 0 to pi, then twice the integration, you will get the answer. Or you can say, you can do this question like this also, or I have highlighted here, or 0, you can integrate from 0 to pi mod of sine x dx, from pi to 2 pi mod of sine x dx. It means after integration, if you got the negative area, take the mod sign. You can do like this also. Now I have done by the way from taking limit 0 to pi by 2. Now question number, next we will do question number 6. Question number 6 is, find the area enclosed by the parabola y square is equal to 4ax and line y is equal to mx. Now plot the graph. Parabola and line is there. Parabola and line. What type of parabola this one? This is a parabola symmetrical about x-axis. Symmetrical about x-axis. And this is a line. This is y. This is the point. Y square is equal to 4ax. Now this is a line. When you put x is equal to 0, y is 0, it means what? Line passes through the horizon. Line will plot. You can do this by plotting this one. This is a line. Y is equal to mx, and you have to calculate this one area. This is the area which you have to calculate. In such type of cases, I told you, you have to plot the perpendicular from the intersection point. This is the intersection point. You have to plot the perpendicular from here. Now, what are the coordinates of this intersection point? You can calculate by using the solution of y square is equal to 4ax and y is equal to mx. Solve these two. You will get the point of intersections. You can say here, if you put y is equal to mx, it means this is m square x square is equal to 4ax. Or you can say m square x square minus 4ax is equal to 0. You can take common m square x minus 4a equal to 0. From here, either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 4a upon m square. So what? Here is a point, this is the origin, that is 0, 0. And here is a point 4a upon m square x value. And y is equal to, if x is this one, because the x when put here, that comes out equal to 4am upon m square. This is the y value. Now required area can be calculated by taking the limit of x from 0 to 4a upon m square. Area under the parabola minus area under the line. Area under the parabola, this one. Area under the line, this one. Okay. When you subtract these two, you are getting the enclosed area. So it becomes 0 to 4a upon m square. And here it will be y dx. The value of y you can calculate from here, because I'm talking about parabola. If I'm talking about line, then you will get y from equation of line. So area under the parabola minus, parabola means 2 root a and x, root ax dx minus from line, that is mx. Now integrate it, you will get the answer. What is the integration? You can say here 2 root a is taking common. Root x integration is x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2, and divided by 3 by 2 minus mx square upon 2, and limit is from 0 to 4a upon m square. This is the integration of the given function. Now if you solve it, now you have to apply the limit procedure on. Apply limit. Apply limit. And you will get the answer. Proceed the question. Here on, you will get answer. Answer will be 8a square upon 3m cube. 3m cube. 8m square. Let's see. Let's write down on the next page. Answer will be, proceed the question, apply the limit, and answer of the question. Answer of the question 6, that will be equal to 8a square upon 3m cube. Solve it. Square unit. Now we will do question number 7th hint. Find the area enclosed by the parabola. Parabola is 4y is equal to 3x square, or you can say it is x square is equal to 4 upon 3y. Symmetrical about y-axis. And the line that is the parabola, and line that is 2y is equal to 3x plus 12. Now we have to plot the graph to parabola and line. Parabola and line, symmetrical about y-axis. Y-axis means this one. Parabola, upward parabola is there. This is a parabola. X square is equal to 4 by 3y. Line you can make the table. Make the table, put the value of x, get the y, and plot the graph. You will get a line like this, 0 to 6. This becomes like this. This type of line you will get. This is the equation of 2y is equal to 3x plus 12 line. Now point of intersection A and B you must know, and plot perpendicular from A and B, and you will get what? Answer, area under the line minus, you have to calculate this one, area under the line, you will get this one. After subtracting area under the parabola, you will get the shaded portion. The required area will be equal to, now you can, first of all, you have to point intersection. Intersection point you have to get by solving intersection points, by solving 4y is equal to 3x square and 2y is equal to 3x plus 12. Put the value of y from the line and you will get two intersection points. The value of x is minus 2 and 4. If x is minus 2, then y will be, if x is minus 2, then you will get y will be equal to, x is minus 2, put it here, 4y is equal to 3x square. When you put x is equal to minus 2, it becomes 4 into 3, 12, and y is equal to 3, minus 2 comma 3. And this B point will be, if x is 4, if this is 4 comma 0, then this will be, x is 4. It means y will be equal to 3 into 4 upon 4, that is 12. The value of B is 4 comma 12. These are the intersection points A and B. Now you have to apply the limit from minus 2 to 4, area under the line minus area under the parabola. Now you have to write down like this. That is minus 2 to 4. Required area I have to write down. That is minus 2 to 4. Area under the, first was area under the line. Line means the value of y is from line. Y can be calculated from line. If area under the parabola, you have to take the y from the parabolic equation. So it becomes 3x plus 12 upon 2 dx. This is line. Area, I have to write down here, area under the line. The line, this is the hint, minus area under the parabola. Parabola means 3 by 4 x square, limit is same, minus 2 to 4. That is with respect to x, that is area under the parabola. Now you have to integrate it. Integrate, I just give you an idea. You have to limit, put your limit here on. Here the integration was, take 1 by 2 outside. 3x means 3x square by 2. 12 means 12x. Apply the limit on it. Minus, this is 3 by 4 taking outside. This becomes x cube upon 3. Minus 2 to 4. Apply limit now. You're on. This is your part. Apply limit. And then you will get answer. Will be equal to, that is equal to 27 square unit. When you solve it, I just give you an idea. This is 45, this one, and this will, you will get, that is 18. 45 minus 18, you are getting 27 square unit. This is the answer of the question number 7. Now come to the question number next. Question number 8, 9, you will do your own. Now question number 10 is same as I have told you in question number 7th. Now I am doing question number 11 now. Using the method of integration, find the area bounded by the curve mod x plus mod y is equal to 1. Now here both x and y having mod. It means this is positive, so, and this four cases will be there. If this is negative, this is negative. Suppose next this is positive, maybe this is negative, negative, positive. These four cases can be written, or I can write x plus y is equal to 1, first equation. Second one will be minus x minus y is equal to 1. Third one, x minus y equal to 1. Fourth one, minus x plus y will be equal to 1. There are four equations in one equation, mod x plus mod y is equal to 1. Now you have to plot these four equations by taking the table, making the table. You will get like this, graph will be like this. You will get like this, one line like this, second will be like this, third will be this one, and fourth will be this one. You will get like this, first line, second line, third line, and fourth line like this. You will get the equations like this. Now first equation, that will be x plus y. This will be, I will write down the name according to the name. This will be x plus y is equal to 1. Second will be minus x plus y is equal to 1. Third one will be x plus y is equal to minus 1. And this one will be equal to x minus 1 is equal to 1. So what? I have to make the name accordingly. First is x plus y is equal to 1. This is okay. Second will be minus x plus y. This will be named as here in the graph 2. And third one is this one. And fourth one is this one. I have plotted here the graph. The names according to the graph I have put here. Now the question is that we have to get the area, this one area, whole area. So what? Four portions are here which are symmetrical. So if I got area of 1, multiplied that area by 4, you are getting the whole area. I will just calculate this one, first one, and you multiply that by 4. That is from 0 to 1. Intersection point you can know from here. These are the intersection points. You can take any of the line, but I am taking a line from first quadrant. So that is 0 to 1. And 4 times of the, that is y is equal to 1 minus x. From here I can calculate 1 minus x dx, because here is y dx, and put the value of y from the equation first. From equation first, y is 1 minus x. Now simplify it. 4 times of x minus x square by 2, limit from 0 to 1. Apply the limit, you will get 2 square unit answer. Apply the limit. Now you have to apply limit. Apply limit. This is the question number 11. Now we'll do one more question, that is question number, suppose question number is 13 and 14. Both are the question we have to do. Both are question making graph as a triangle. We have to do question by using this integration. We have to take the vertices and draw the triangle. Let's do the question number 14. If a equation of line is not given, then you can apply the formula to make the equation, that is y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1. If lines are given, then you can plot directly. In the 13th question, you have to make the equation of line by using the formula of straight line. Now in 14th question, straight lines are given. If lines are given, then you have to find out the vertices. If vertices are given, then you have to find out the equation of line. This is the concept of this question. These three lines, when you plot, you will get a triangle. You have to calculate the area enclosed by that triangle. Now here is a, when you plot these lines, I think plot here on, I've just given the idea. This one line like this, that line will be, that is x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0 line. Second line, here I have to put the point, that is minus 5. Okay, minus 5 comma 0. This is a coordinate. Now second line will be like this, from here like this. Second line, suppose this one, this is a line 3x minus 2y equal to 6, and the points on axis are, here the point is 0 comma minus 3, and third line will be like this. Here it will be point 2 comma 0, and this line will be like this, and this is a line that is 2x plus y equal to 4, and this is the area which is enclosed by these lines. First of all, you have to find out the intersection points. These are the intersection points. Suppose this is a point, this is B, and this is C. For A, solve equation x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0 and 2x plus y is equal to 4. When you solve these two equations, you will get point x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So coordinates are 1 and 2. For 3 and 4, for next, for solutions, for A we have done. Now here for C, solve x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0, and second line will be, first line, second is 3x minus 2y is equal to 6. Solve these two, you are getting 0.4 comma 3. X is 4 and y is 3, and this point 2 comma 0 is given here on the axis. So now after getting the values of A, B and C, draw the perpendicular from A. This is the perpendicular from A, perpendicular from C. Now if you get the area under the line, this one, first line, this is x minus 3y plus 5, you will get area under the line, this one, and subtract the area under the line BC, you will get area of triangle. How to write? Extra one is subtracted, and that becomes, just write down, required area will be equal to, required area is equal to, when you integrate from 1 to 4 to the line, this one, 1 to 4 y dx, get the y from here, that is x plus 5 upon 3. Area under the line, first one, that is AC line, minus, now you have to subtract area under the line, you have to got whole area, you have got from A to C, this from line to A to C line. Now this one is extra and this one is extra, you have to subtract these two. First BC and then AB area, you have to subtract. Let's write down from AB y dx, from AB subtract the area from 1 to 2. 1 to 2 from AB, y is equal to 4 minus 2x dx, minus area from that is BC. BC is from 2 to 4. These areas are extra, you have taken in from 1 to 4 limit. When you take AC, 3x minus 6 upon 2 dx. Now this is a part you have to integrate from 1 to 4 this, 1 to 2 second one, and 2 to 4 third one, and simplify it, you are getting the area. Now proceed the question you are on and answer the question you will get. After doing it, tally the answer, 7 by 2 square unit you will get. Integrate the question and apply the limit which is given, 1 to 4, 1 to 2, 2 to 4. 3 different parts are here. You have to solve these parts and apply the limit. After integration, you will get answer. Now these are the important questions I have told you in the miscellaneous exercise of chapter 8. Now do the other question also, which I have left here for the practice part, and do the examples of miscellaneous also. And this is a part which is in our syllabus. 8.3 is not in our syllabus this year. So do these questions of miscellaneous and exercise 8.1 in this chapter, chapter 8. Thank you. Have a nice day.